Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Discord is giving away 900 orbs. Yes, you heard that right. I'll show you how to do it on your phone. First, log into Discord on your Chrome browser and enable the desktop mode. Now you can see the PC version of Discord. Now you should be able to see all the quests here. There's a new quest called Arc Raider. Just watch the trailer video. Now claim the orbs. After that's done, go to Halloween quest that gives you 200 orbs. Some people might require to enable their VPN and change their location to the United States. If you want the quest links, just join my Discord server. After you have enough orbs, you can buy anything from Orb Shop. You can buy 3 days Nitro if you want, or even avatar and profile effect if you want. That's why I mention free Nitro in my thumbnail. But some people don't understand that in the comment section. Anyway, join my Discord server if you want server decors and layouts. And if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button. I would like to give one last warning that if I find any hate and rude comment, you will be banned from commenting again, and even from my Discord servers.